I feel like the growth happens in hardship, and the growth happens in between the moments when we think that life is actually happening. I'm Barbara Smith. I'm an associate professor in the School of Biological and Health Systems Engineering. I grew up in Chicago, and I grew up in the suburbs of Detroit, and I was in industry for a few years, and then went back into academia. I love teaching. What do I like most about teaching? The students. Even with COVID, I would talk to my students over the phone because they weren't yet on campus, and I said, what do you need to learn? What are those things that you felt you needed to learn a few months ago and you didn't have that opportunity to do? Now is that opportunity. So what we do in my lab is we do two different areas. We do imaging, and we do, I would say, systems biology, or it's better understood as biomarker discovery. We're developing a research tool to be able to record the language of a neuron, but really to target specific cells of interest. We also develop tools in imaging that have integrated into clinical tools for women's health. So we look for cancer in the uterus. And so it's not only in the classroom that we learn about this, but in my own lab, we develop these tools. And on the other side of things, this is a field that really provides a wide variety of not only tools, but opportunities after. It's something that meshes empathy and emotion, and something that where someone can understand that there's a human on the other end, and we want to integrate something into their world, all the way over to how is this technically going to work? What are the engineering requirements that make these tools useful?